G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. So today we're going to just give Sam some real dress up. We're going to put in seats, badges, chrome shiny bits and pieces on it. Very, very exciting, especially the seats. What do you reckon about them?
They look amazing.
They do look amazing. Anyway, let's get straight into it. That's pretty cool. I had a discussion with Aliyah about what we're going to do here. We ended up bringing the bull bar up a nice gloss white. I did some crazy stuff. I tried to give it a patina look, but then decided it looked terrible. So we're going to gloss white. The front bumper is an aftermarket bumper that turned up chrome. I didn't realise it was going to be chrome when it turned up. I was going to paint it white, but I think it being chrome and white ties in with the rims that are also chrome and white. Plus we're going to have other chrome bits and pieces on here like the spear and the badges, so I don't think it'll look too out of place. So these seats were stripped so long ago. I repaired it, rebuilt all the components inside it, welded everything back up, sent it to the upholsterer, and he did an incredible job. The great thing about YouTube is you can jump on and find how to put stuff together if you forget. So we just jumped on 40 channel. Voila, told us how to put it all together.
Open the door.
Get the fuck.
I don't know what you're doing. It's going to chop me in half.
Well, that's...
Ooh.
You don't have to scratch anything.
Nope, I can do it myself. See? Oh, like that. But we have another dilemma.
We'll have to flip it up.
This is what happens when a man thinks.
It's not very nice. Just
Not too bad. Quick, flip it up. Flip it up. Quick, 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 quick. Quick. Lovely. Lovely, lovely.
in.
Now I can't get in.
Just go to the, put the
How?
legs on inside.
I can't get in.
Yes, you can.
I'm literally, how am I meant to hold my arm in here?
Well, that's all
You're
I
gonna
do.
have to push it in.
Now you have to reach over the other side and help it in. Don't scratch it.
It's meant to come way over here. Oh yeah, right here.
1965.
Oh, you were almost born. Here, pass me one. I'm going to be the first one to sit in this driver's seat. Oh, snap. Just letting you all know that Jason is not perfect. Yeah, but you said, come down, help me, it'll take us 15 minutes.
Well, I thought it would until I found out this was...
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Every time we do something, something goes wrong.
It's not going wrong.
It is going wrong. What's the dilemma?
I need to pull that over.
Yeah, it's not lined up, is it?
I just need to pull it over. Righto, you can see we just got that little ratchet strap there, and there's basically no movement in it. I mean, I can push this with my hand, and pretty much there. Just release that strap off. Winner.
Yay, seats are in. We did it.
Go sit in the driver's seat.
So,
Do you think it looks good with the white?
Well, even if I say no, it's not like we can change it. But yeah,
No.
I actually think it looks really good. Go on the speed limit.
Why? What happens if you speed?
You lose your license.
Mm.
I'm not going to be able to reach that far.
Yeah, you will. I'll lift it up higher. Don't drop it.
Yeah, I can't reach it.
Push the button.
Ah, you're pushing the bonnet on my head.
Don't do them up like super tight, just fall. Ooh, nice. What have we got? Decal Dog. That one, I think, is the one we need. What else we got in there?
Hold this.
Gee, it looks cool.
A keychain.
Keychain. Oh, it's red. Like Sam.
This one.
Valve clearances.
This one.
F135 motor. So we need to get these stickers on the motor. Later model. Oh, cool. Oh,
That's gibberish.
gibberish sticker. Nippon Denso aircon. We can put that in Minty when we get the aircon in. Nice.
You've already used a sticker.
I didn't take a sticker off.
We've been scammed.
There's a sticker missing.
We've been scammed.
All right, let's get into
I
this.
didn't want us having it.
It's not exactly straight. One go. Nice. Oh. Let me get my hand out of there. Whew. Righto, so this is a little bit disappointing. We had the window bonnet latches. Now we've got the originals here. They still work. They look, you know, very old and patinaed, so it'll suit the vehicle really nicely. But I thought I'd love to go some nice, fresh chrome looking ones. You know, they look awesome. They work really, really well. I could not find them anywhere in Australia. So I actually found them in Colombia. So I actually jumped on, bought these from Colombia, and found out they're wrong. They're not going to fit a 1965 at all. Where our holes line up is quite a long way out, actually. It's a whole, it's 10 mil difference between your hole centers. So they're never going to fit, which is quite devastating, actually. This whole bracket is bigger, so it's not going to work. So righto, that is it, man. Sam is coming up like an absolute treat. What do you think, Ali?
It's looking so good.
Oh man, it's got some bling on it. Unfortunately, the Colombian bling was no good, but genuine came through, so that's really cool. And the interior, man, I'm stoked with the interior. And some really exciting news is Aliyah, I actually got the last two cables from the dash of Sam. So I've got the choke and the throttle cable all ready to go in the dash. That means the interior is complete. The outside is basically complete except for the tray and the exhaust.
Close.
So close. It's very, very exciting. Anyway, that's going to be another episode. Exhaust, tray. There's a fair bit of work to do on the tray. We're going to need to get some other people to come and help us because it's heavy and dirty. But anyway, very exciting. So thanks, Harley.
That's okay.
All right, well, hopefully you've enjoyed this episode. Sam's really coming along, and until next time.
Thanks for watching.